Hello everyone, my name is Miss Rutika and today I am going to teach you a new subject that is math. So children, do you know what we are going to learn in math today? We are going to learn ascending and descending order. Now children, when we talk about order, it means to put in order means to arrange numbers one by one. I repeat, to put in order means to arrange numbers one by one. So today we have two friends with us. They are Sheru and Jojo. Say hi to Sheru and Jojo everyone. Yes, so these two friends of us is going to learn with us what is ascending and descending order. What is ascending order? Let us help Sheru to know and understand what is ascending order. When we arrange numbers from the smallest number to the biggest number, it is called arranging numbers in ascending order. When we arrange numbers from the smallest number to the biggest number, it is called arranging numbers in ascending order. Children, can you see the picture? You can see in the picture that the numbers are arranged from the smallest number, that is 1, to the biggest number, that is 4. So children, when we arrange the numbers in this way, in this manner, that means we have arranged numbers in ascending order. To arrange the numbers in ascending order means to arrange the numbers from a small number to a big number. Children, can you see the picture of this train? You can see again the numbers are arranged in a ascending order. That is, it is arranged from a small number 1 to the big number 5. Now children, we have to solve this activity. The first one is already done for us. Now we have to do the other one. Okay children, we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So children, when you look at the orange box, you can see that the numbers are given to us jumbled up. They all are jumbled up. So we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay children, so let us start. Now we have to see the 4 numbers in the orange box and find out the smallest number. So which is the smallest number children? Yes, it is 2. Now which is the smallest number? 3. Then the next number comes 5 and the last number comes 9. So children, have you seen? We have arranged the numbers in ascending order. If you see the picture, we have arranged the numbers from a small number 2 to the big number 9. Very good. I hope you have understood what is ascending order. Now, let us study what is descending order. When we arrange numbers from the biggest number to the smallest number, it is called arranging numbers in descending order. When we arrange numbers from the biggest number to the smallest number, it is called arranging numbers in descending order. Children, take a look at the picture. You can see that the first number in the picture is big and the last number in the picture is small. So children, When we arrange number from a big number to a small number, that means it is called arranging numbers in descending order. Okay, children? Take a look at this picture, children. You can see again the number is arranged in descending order. That means the first number is big and the last number is small. Now children, we have to do this activity. We have to solve these two activities in descending order. Again, you can see in the pink box, the numbers are given jumbled up. And we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. That means the first number will be big and the last number should be small. So let us start. The first number according to us is 8. Then comes 6. Then comes 4. And the last number will be the smallest number, that is 2. So children, have you seen? We have already solved the first activity and we can see that we have arranged the numbers in descending order. Now let us do the next one. You can see the blue box. Now we have to find out which is the biggest number. So which is the biggest number, children? Yes, it is 7. Then we will write 5. Then comes 3. And the last number, which is the smallest number, it is 1. Very good, children. I hope you all have understood what is ascending order and descending order. Always remember, children, ascending order A means writing the numbers from a small number to a big number. And descending order D means writing numbers from a big number to the small number. Okay, children? Bye.